Good morning. I am Cheryl Barona, 42 years old, married. I finished college with a degree of Bachelor of Arts, major in Political Science.
Do you have working experience as a nanny?
Yes, ma'am, I do. I worked in Riyadh for 5 years as tutor and nanny of an 11 years old child and 1 year and 8 months old.
What work did you do in the past?
I have several work in the past. I work as spare clerk in a gas company. I also work as regional manager in a pre-net company, pension plans. I also work as an assistant teacher in a nursery school. I also work as a personal assistant of a Taiwanese businessman. Also, I work as an assistant salon manager in a beauty salon. Aside from that, most of my experience is here as tutor and nanny also.
Do you have experience with newborn children?
Yes, I do, ma'am. I have experience of a newborn child. Aside from my child, I handled a 1 year and 8 months old child with an SRE in Riyadh for 3 years.
Do you know how to change diapers or to prepare your food?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to change diapers and prepare the food of the children.
Can you give an example of the foods you prepared?
For the child, I prepare healthy food like mashed potato, apple, carrots, some cereal food, and I cook some, like on their country, some soup like lentils and molokhia. Their food in Saudi.
Do you know how to play with a child?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to play a child. Aside from playing toys, I make the playtime educational. Like we do coloring, singing, dancing. Sometimes we do reading and writing also.
Do you know how to clean the house?
Yes, ma'am. I do. I work in Riyadh. I clean the room, the playroom, like dusting, use vacuum, and I change the beddings of the children.
Do you know how to iron?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to iron. Like pants, shirt, and some clothes of the children.
Regarding the household chores, did you use vacuum cleaner, washing machine, or dishwasher before?
Yes, ma'am, I do. I use vacuum cleaner and washing machine before.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like mass cooking.
What type of dishes do you prepare?
Aside from our dishes, I know how to make some Arabic food like maragayna, kabsa, biryani, and I also like to bake cakes and make pizza. My specialty is spaghetti and carbonara, also lasagna.
How would you to spend your day off?
I prefer my day off to spend it by going to church, buy some stuff for myself, sending money for my family, and have a rest.
If the employer will need you in that day, are you willing to work?
Yes, ma'am. If my employer needed me, I will.
What are your family obligations?
My family obligations, being housewife, I want to help my husband to earn, to pay our house, also to save for our child future. Also, I am helping my parents for their medicine because I'm the eldest among 5 siblings.
Who will take care of them when you will be away?
My youngest sister, who is not yet married, she will take care of my daughter.
How many years you would like to stay in Romania?
As long as my employers need me and I am still capable of working.
Thank you.
Thank you.